For the 200th episode, Mark asked us to reminisce about, my favorite times on the show. And, we've had such a blast all along, like going up there to that car collection. It was the field trips. I missed the field trips.
I'm excited, but I'm cold.
Paintball. I really missed the paintball. Got to play paintball in a wrecking yard. This was a great place to play.
Yeah,
got to shoot Mark.
You got to shoot Mark in the back?
I got to shoot Mark in the back.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Let the bloodbath begin.
Ow! Hurt! Oh!
You okay?
Another fun time was when Mark told me my car wouldn't do 150, and then he said it wouldn't do 130. So I took him out and proved him wrong.
Royale is excited. Royale is a professional race car driver. He's amazing. He's a madman.
Here goes.
All right, here we go.
You proved him wrong? What
Yeah.
do you mean?
I did 130.
Oh my God.
Piece of cake. Some of my least favorites as well is, wading out into 3 feet of water to unplug a drain to get the car out.
Oh, jeez.
Mark was accusing everybody of turning the pumps off. It flooded the wash rack in the back of the shop there, the first shop. And it wasn't the pumps, it was the drain was plugged.
Oh,
so
really?
I had to go pull a piece of plywood off the drain that somebody had put down there to catch oil or something, I don't know.
I did not do this.
One of my favorite memories recently was when we got to do the Halloween episode.
Oh, cool.
And we all got costumes and we got to go to Finn's and order up, and Mark puts on a Scream mask and he even goes inside the restaurant to the order board and he's in there popping up and down from behind the counter. It was the creepiest thing I've ever seen, man. Alyssa got a nice Elvira costume.
You like the mask, you wear that mask, okay? But he's got another thing coming. If he thinks I'm sliding my into that child's medium Elvira costume, it's not happening. Because it's impossible, that's why. I guess at the end of the day, I'm getting paid. So, there's that.
What did Will go as?
I don't know, he looked like Bigfoot or something. He had all this hair and huge hands.
I just want to paint cars.
That was
Cool.
fun. We had a lot of fun on that Halloween episode. So another one of my favorite things is all the animated cartoons that we've been doing for the show. They're just completely off the wall. Mark's talking about going to grandma's house and my face catches on fire and coffee and a rake and all this stuff. It's kind of
Sounds a little
cruel, I
creepy.
think, but yeah, some of these cartoons are hilarious. You should have seen me running down 17th Street after I had a little accident and wrecked a car. And doesn't he even have you looking on the pool table?
Oh, it had me drooling on it.
Drooling on the pool table.
Right before I